Losers by Broncho. It's kind of a cool song. You can do some cool things with it. Basically, it revolves around the C. I'm not sure exactly if that's the key of the song, but it's kind of like everything wants to go back to C. There's a little riff at the beginning. That's kind of the riff at the beginning. You can play it out of that little shape there. We're just playing a power chord here. Go to the G flat power chord at the fret 4. C power chord. F power chord. You can throw in the G power chord and walk up to G sharp. Back to F. Here's a cool thing, cool way to play it. And this will be the last thing I show you. Playing little one finger power chords. This is like your A shape. Play it at the 5. That's going to be for your C. And then the next power chord is at 6. We're going to play A and D. Okay, the weird thing about this one is that the root note is on the higher, so it sounds a little different. Just switched around. It comes out of this shape. Thanks for watching. Had fun playing that. Bye.